Hey y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is new system test 1. You're probably wondering why new system test 1. First of all, I got so many tests I just decided to restart. Just happens. And second of all, we have some expansions. So everything in my room's the exact same, so that's, yeah. So we got a BG12L, as you can see. Firelight BG12L. We got a P2R. We have an SR, as you can see. We have two wires going out this way, which I'm guessing you guys have figured it out now. BG12. Actually, it's an BG12LX, but I just put the Firelight cover on it. Smoke detector, heat detector, P4RL, and a SRL. So yeah, we are back out in the hallway for my system, which is always cool. So let's start out in the hallway pull station. But before I pull it, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and if you're sensitive to strobe lights, please do not watch this video. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so, well, I wonder if the detector will work since I already activated that zone. Yeah, okay, it should be good. 3, 2, 1. Once I get it, there we go. Silence it real quick. Alright, and we'll pull this pull station. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so I am pretty sure it's everything I have to show for new system test 1. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, thank you guys for sticking around. A lot of you guys for sticking around, for me to get this far. Obviously, I had a bigger system. Then I shrunk it down. Then I shrunk it down some more because it was 3 devices, if y'all remember. And then, yeah, we're back at a bigger system again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy this new set of system tests, more devices. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and I should get my hearing protection on. Where'd I put it? This is a fail. I'll put this at the end of the episode, I guess. Where'd it go? Hold on. Yeah, I'm struggling. Okay.